Lord, you are the maker of my heart, the framer and reshaper of my soul.
Hello, we are approaching Davao International Airport. That is Jinji, Angie, Kuya Mar, Kuya Val, Kuya Tonton, and first time.
Master and creator, healer and sustainer, I will put my true alone.
We are already inside the airport.
Teach me to be faithful to confess. In this way my spirit will be blessed.
Hi! We are in Manila already.
Nag-iiba yung ano eh, yung lumalabas sa bibig ko.
It's a new day.
Kalipay sa taga-BCC, pa-picture.
New way. Gonna live my life party on that. That's the way. And the new has come. Thank God it's a brand new day.
Nami karon sa ATI, Agriculture Training Institute. Tapos nagapangita ko og ruta para Dulong Marikina. Kaya dito ko padulong niya.
Can you help me? Nasa UP Diliman kami ngayon. Tingnan mo nasa background ko.
We're going to GMA and ABS-CBN.
Pwede na? Andito po tayo ngayon sa GMA Station. Kung mapapansin nyo, napakalaki ng kanilang stasyon. Tingnan nyo naman. Yun lang po, kaibigan.